Hi everyone, my name is Sidrah and I am going to be taking you on a tour. No, not around the world, just over to my pantry where I will be sharing some of the tips and tricks that work for me in organizing a pantry. So come along.
So my pantry consists of this long thin shelf that I have in my kitchen. It's not a walk-in pantry, but it works well for me. I have a very deep pantry, so I have tried to make the most of it by using baskets all around. And I have tried to give it a very cheery feel. I have used this adhesive with a Moroccan print to give it some color and yellow baskets. So starting from the top, this is my baking section. This here has all my baking tools and this one has my baking supplies, which I don't use every day. Then on the next section, I have my pantry staples like plain flour, sugar, self-raising flour, pasta, oats, breadcrumbs, corn flour. They're all in airtight jars so that they stay fresh for longer. And this Lazy Susan has everyday things that I use which I can easily access. In the next section, I have my snacks box. This is what it looks like from the inside. It's a stackable box that can be stacked on top of each other. The not so commonly used snacks are at the bottom and the ones we use frequently are at the top. I keep rotating them according to our need. So here are some other sauces that I use and the sachets that I use and keep in a basket. I have a tier shelf that I have kept in here and I keep some of my extras here. My canned goods stay here on this Lazy Susan again so that anything that I need is easily accessed. Then moving on to the next section, I have kept these baskets in here. These are again plastic tubs that I spray painted and labeled. This has all my spices. I keep all the open spices in another basket to hold them, and the ones that are in jars stay over here. I even repurpose jars of old things and just stick their label on so that I know what's in here. Then this here is my drinks box. I have all my cordials in here, some long life milk. That's what I keep here. These are all the extras, the extra supplies of things that I have. Some ginger garlic paste that I will need to use, some salt, unopened sauces, extra pasta, that all stays in here. The next here is my cleanup section. I have my garbage bags, extra dishwashing tablets and bin bags in here. I keep them all organized in this box. Again, the good thing is that these boxes can slide in and out. I have even used the space at the back to keep stuff that I don't use on a regular basis, like some disposable glasses, and this can easily be slid in or out. All of our nuts and stuff are in here. This has the caffeine, all kind of coffees. Keeping stuff in a basket always helps it stay organized and makes it look tidier for a longer time. Then in the last row here is my box for rice. I still use the packets, my everyday rice and my special use rice, but I keep them in a box just so that it stays in one place and looks neat. This one has flour. This is my flour, and these are the extra lentils and stuff that I have, and all the other extra things that I could have put in here. This goes in here. These are some cloth bags, reusable bags that I use, and that is how I have organized a pantry that is really deep and does not have a lot of space. On the door, I have my cleaning schedule that helps me stay on top of things so that I know when to clean and when to work things out. And then in the cabinet that is right above the stove is where I keep my everyday spices. So as you can see, this is a pretty small cabinet. Like it's not very wide. This is the size of my hand and that's the cabinet size. But I have tried to use it as much as possible by creating levels in it, and to do that I haven't done anything amazing. Just use this piece of thermocore here. I'll show you. So this is just a piece of packaging material that comes with heavy items, and I have used that here and created a level above here. And then at the back is a little box, a cardboard box that I have used to create a third level. and this way I can easily see whatever I have. Stuff I use frequently I keep here. The labels I'm just experimenting with, trying to come up with something perfect. And then at the top are things that I don't use very frequently. Again, created another level. I have also put some colored paper at the back just for some color. Then there's this other cabinet which is above my range hood. I have some more spices over here as well. I have repurposed old mayonnaise jars, and yes, my nails match the lids. But I have repurposed old mayonnaise jars and I spray painted their lids and I made these labels for them. This is just some chalkboard labels that I got from Kmart, and I used some chalk marker to write on them. And again, if you can see at the back that I have used thermocore to create a level so that I can easily see everything that I have. And I also have put some craft paper at the back over there because I think it looks pretty. And that is. I really hope you enjoyed this little tour of my pantry. It is not amazing. I do not have a walk-in pantry, but I've tried to make do with what I have and used some smart storage solutions like using baskets, using lazy Susans, and using the space at the top effectively to make use of this decent sized pantry. So if you enjoyed it, let me know, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.